A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is inner algorithms, authenticity as the code of divine resonance. Ladies and gentlemen, hidden within each life is a pattern as intricate as a galaxy and as precise as a quantum equation. These inner algorithms, silent instructions of body, mind and spirit carry the capacity to illuminate existence from within. Authenticity is the disciplined art of activating that code. It is not performance or rebellion. It is the steady alignment of thought, feeling and action with the intelligence that moves stars and neurons alike. In a culture of imitation, such alignment becomes a quiet revolution, a clarity that holds through pressure without needing applause. The first evidence of this revolution appears in the body, when intention, emotion and behavior travel the same direction. Cardiac rhythms find coherence, immune signaling becomes precise and stress chemistry recedes. Neurology locates the effect. The prefrontal cortex, seat of discernment, strengthens its governance, while limbic alarms soften. Psychology labels the outcome self-congruence, linked to resilience, creative insight and durable well-being. The cosmos offers a parallel. Every atom in the living form once burned in stellar furnaces of the stars. To live authentically is to honor that ancestry, allowing choices to echo the symmetry that spins galaxies. Quantum theory deepens the claim. Observation is participatory. Attention collapses clouds of possibility into single unfoldings. Each authentic decision is a quantum event, a unique collapse of potential into a life-shaped pattern. Ancient traditions anticipated these discoveries. The Upanishads point to Atman, an indivisible core that mirrors the boundless Brahman. Taoist masters taught effortless action. Stoic philosophers urged fidelity to the inner spark of reason. Across cultures, the message converges. Authenticity is not indulgence of transient moods, but loyalty to an enduring design seeded in consciousness. Spiritual practice makes this tangible. The authentic person stands as a tuning fork in the midst of noise, resonating with the music beneath chaos. Feelings arise and move. They do not commandeer the helm. Humility and courage, compassion and resolve meet in exact balance. Such living is demanding. It requires repeated attention, patient refinement, and the willingness to convert raw impulse into lucid response. What's the way forward? The path is practice, not proclamation. 3 interwoven disciplines shape the work. First, alignment. Daily practices, circadian rhythm, health and breath awareness, brief silence, reflective attention, uncover whether thought, intention and action point in the same direction. Second, coherence. Deliberate speech, measured action and simple embodied routines cultivate physiological and neural harmony so the internal compass can be held. Third, resonance. Integrity expressed through service, honest dialogue and brave compassion connects private illumination to the public good, turning inner clarity into healing influence. These disciplines do not promise ease. They form a lifetime's apprenticeship in turning adversity into instruction and difficulty into the fuel of lucidity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, authenticity practiced as alignment and surrender opens a channel to guidance larger than individual will. The Bhagavad Gita affirms this convergence when it profoundly states the eternal assurance. Wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the master of the bow, there also abide prosperity, victory, happiness, and unwavering wisdom. In that meeting of divine intelligence and courageous human effort, the inner algorithms awaken. Life itself becomes a living union of the eternal and the temporal, a quiet proof that the universe can indeed be experienced from within. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.